If YouTube voice search is not working on your TCL Google TV's YouTube app, the voice search keeps cancelling and you get this error pop-up that says something went wrong or still not working, try again. Then let me show you the guaranteed way to fix YouTube voice search in less than a minute. As you can see here, on our YouTube app, if you try to launch the YouTube voice search, nothing happens even though we are speaking out loud, and it doesn't say start speaking now. So in this case, the first thing we will do is from the left panel, go all the way down to YouTube settings, and then go down to microphone access and make sure that it's turned on. And here, even though it's turned on, if we go to search, we still have the same problem. But don't worry, because if it still doesn't work, then we will go back to home and then go to our TV settings. Now go to apps, select YouTube. If you don't see YouTube here, then go to see all apps and find YouTube from there. Now select YouTube, go all the way down to permissions, and here you'll definitely see that microphone is not allowed. To enable this, just select it and then enable allow only while using the app. And then you can go back to YouTube and try voice searching. Now your microphone will start working right away. For some reason, if it isn't working for you, then we'll go back to settings again, apps, YouTube, and from here clear all its data. Then open the YouTube for a fresh start, select the search option, and add all the permissions again. Now voice search will start working. If it's still not working, you can see speak now and it's searching for your voice, then it's probably because your microphone is damaged, so you need to get it repaired. So that's how you can fix YouTube voice search on your TCL Google TV. Make sure to leave your feedback and I'll see you around.